So hello friends, Jaivir here once again with the concept of IC engineering or internal combustion engineering question bank. So in this video, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 paper has been summarized and divided into chapter wise question. So which chapter contains which question that has been derived now, and it is specifically mentioned in this video. So it is nothing but the internal combustion engine important theories chapter wise question bank. Let's see it of the previous 5 paper. So from the chapter number 1, it contains of 5% marks as per the syllabus of the GTU internal combustion engine. And what kind of questions asked so far? What is the generalized performance map of IC engine and what are the advantages over conventional performance curves? In which question number it is asked? 5A or for how many marks? 7 marks. In which year it was asked? 17 December 2015. In which topic it is asked? Chapter number 1. And whether it is example or theory, it is theory. It is not repeated any times. So first chapter is very not very much good for covering marks, so you can omit it. Let's discuss about the second topic of the syllabus, which is this one contains 15% of the coverage of the syllabus. That is also mentioned in the syllabus of the internal combustion engine. Let's check what kind of things has been asked. It is asked in question number 1A for 7 marks in 9.2016. The question is the change in specific heat with respect to change in efficiency example. The type is example. Topic number 2. Second is theory of the valve timing diagram, variable valve timing diagram, very important theory. 9/5/2016 theory. Third is what is IC engine explained with neat sketch, valve timing diagram, 4-stroke diesel engine. This question is repeated twice, means first time it is asked in 24 of 10 2016 and second time it is asked in 9/5/2016. So it is very much important theory which is bold in a letter. Next is what is fuel air cycle and explain the phenomena of the dissociation. And the latter part is example, again example of the variable specific heat. Next is explain by suitable graph the effect of dissociation on maximum temperature and horsepower. Explain the effect of the presence of CO on dissociation, carbon monoxide on dissociation. So in which year it is asked, that is also mentioned. Theory. Valve timing diagram, and again air fuel ratio in differentiate X fuel cycle and air fuel cycle for SI and CI engine. So more or the less the valve timing diagram theory or variable valve timing diagrams and dissociation part is majorly asked in this chapter with the examples of the variation in engine efficiency with respect to variation in specific heat. So every blue line, whenever there is a blue line, it will represent uh, next paper. So this two question has been asked from the 9/5/2006 question paper. Then again three questions asked in 24/10/2016 paper. So it is more or less 14 to 21 marks of theory has been asked from this chapter. Very important chapter indeed. Let's talk about the third chapter then. In third chapter, combustion chapter, Junker's gas calorimeter theory, expression for air fuel ratio for neglecting compressibility of air and considering compressibility of air. Then explain the construction and working of the Junkers gas calorimeter. Again second time, Junkers and Baum calorimeters are both the important question of this chapter. Discuss the effect of the following engine variables on flame propagation, compression ratio, engine load and turbulence. Next is explain the factor affecting on delay period on CI engines and propagation in SI engines. So more or less 7 to 14 marks cover from this third chapter, a medium one. Again from the fourth chapter, which is need to be covered inside the laboratory, and one example has been asked. Bosch fuel pump is the important theory. Again example, theory, example, theory, and so many theories again. So might be it is asked in A and B or so more or less you can say it is sometime if it is asked then it is asked for 14 to 21 marks. If it is not asked then it might be not having any effect on the paper. So weightage is 10%. You can also uh, view the data of different simple carburetor example and everything. Fifth chapter, ignition, weightage 10%. Questions asked are theory, again theory, important theory are what is the function of SI engine ignition system explained with neat sketch of magneto ignition system. Again magneto ignition system. So magneto ignition system is the very much important theory in this chapter, from this chapter. And another ignition system is battery ignition. So you can say from this chapter either magneto or battery ignition chances are more than compared to other chapters, other questions. Chapter number 6, supercharging, turbocharging. So turbocharging, what is turbocharging? Again theory, only theories are there, and important theories are explain with neat what is meant by pulse of turbocharging and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So turbocharging is the most important theory from the chapter number 6. From the chapter number 7, theory, no repetition. So it is knocking and detonations, very rarely asked from this chapter. Chapter number 8 was syllabus topic number 8. Place lubrication system, thermostat cooling system, and IC engine theory, 7 to 14 marks. Chapter number 9, An example, once, heat balance sheet. Example, Morse test. These are the practical types of questions. Morse test and heat balance chart. Variable compression ratio engines and IS standard 10,001. So these are the practical related questions more or less. Next is chapter number 10, topic number 10, emissions. What are the Bharat stage? Explain emission Euro and Bharat norms. So this question has been asked, very much important questions and related to future emission norms. From the chapter number 11 so far nothing, or topic number 11 so far nothing has been asked. So not very much important topic. Topic number 1 and 11. And from the other, or which is not covered in any topic of the syllabus, the one question is explain pumping and rubbing friction loss as applied to IC engine. This is might be a question of the pumping and losses, actual cycle and fuel air cycle, you can also say that. And this is important questions which is asked in the examinations, and which is not yet has been defined any particular topic of it. So what analysis suggest? So this is my analysis. These are the topic of the syllabus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And out of syllabus might be some of the questions has been asked in some of the paper. The total questions, I'm verifying it, and terminologies. So it is categorized into three categories: example, sketch type theory questions, and evaluation. So mainly from the this analysis will give a broad idea overall that from the chapter number 1 one question or 7 marks questions will be asked so far. From the chapter number 2, topic number 2, a 15% weightage is given, and so far so many questions has been asked, 14 in this paper, 21 in this paper, 21 in this paper, 14 in this paper. Chapter number 3 also gives 7 to 14 ratio of mark in the GTO examination. Topic number 4, very important. Sometimes it is asked for 49, 21, 21, 14. Topic number 5, 7, 14, 7, 14. But the example part which is covered over here and mentioned in this particular with the yellow symbol is the example asked from the chapter number 2 and chapter number 4 mainly. And sometimes it is asked from the chapter number 9 also. And evaluation part has been asked from the chapter number 3 and chapter number 9. So from the whole syllabus of IG engine, you need to focus for the examples of the chapter number 2, chapter number 4 and chapter number 9 only. Chapter number 1 and chapter number 11 are not, or so topic number 1 or topic number 11 of the syllabus is not important that much. Topic number 2 and 4 and 9 covers all kind of examples which is so far asked in the IC engine GTU paper, Gujarat Technological University. Evaluation types of questions has been asked from the topic number 3 and topic number 9, and other all parts are theory from chapter number 2 to chapter number 10, in which theoretical portion is having major distribution from the topic number 6, 7, 8, narrowly over here also. So sometimes it having an impact, sometimes it doesn't having any impact. So in this manner we are concluding that the chapter number the examples are important from the topic number 2, 4 and 9. From the chapter number 2 to 10 theory will be there, and evaluation types of questions are from the topic number 3 and 9 only. If you are having any doubt, if you are having any questions in order to understand this analysis of the question bank of IC engine for Gujarat Technological University 6th semester students, then please mention in comment that what kind of things that is required. This might be helpful for you while preparing yourself for the examination, because all kind of important questions are given over here. So have fun, and I will upload each and every questions in detail with video representations on my channel. So circulate this message, circulate this video to as many students as you can, so that they will also get the glimpse of how to prepare yourself smartly for getting good marks in the examination. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.